Hey there, today I have a quick Amazon haul for you. And for this video, I tried 4 maxi dresses from Amazon that were pretty highly rated. And you know, I had heard from one of you who commented on my last Amazon video that you find really nice maxi dresses from Amazon. So I looked online and I saw they really did have a lot of maxi dresses and the prices were really good. So I just picked 4 that had good reviews and you know that I could see pictures. But one thing, I typically don't order maxi dresses and I don't have a lot of them because I'm only 5'1". So being so short, I always figure, what's the point, right? Because the maxi dress is going to be too long for me and you know, I don't like to sew. Well, I just thought, okay, well maybe I'll give it a try. I know my friend Cheryl, Super Shopper Cheryl, she loves maxi dresses and I've seen other people wear them, you know, around, and you know, we do live in Hawaii, so I think maxi dresses are pretty nice for the islands. I think, well, we used to call it muumuus, but these are not exactly muumuus. But anyway, let's go over what I bought. Okay, so the first dress that I got was this one. Yes, see it, the back. And this is by the brand Ouges. It's O-U-G-E-S, and it's the women's V-neck pattern pocket maxi long dress. That's the title. This was actually the most expensive of the dresses, and it was $30.99. It has 2,621 reviews and 4.5 stars. And also it has a lot of different prints, a lot of florals. So very pretty. And it says it's 94% polyester, 6% spandex, and it is a stretchy knit material. It kind of has the material does have kind of a sheen to it. And because it's mostly polyester, I wouldn't say this is the most breathable material. But it is a very pretty, I think, style, and I think it's also a very flattering cut. The thing is, it is like kind of low in the front, so you do have to probably either add a snap, pin it, or just wear a camisole underneath. But yeah, very pretty, and for $30.99, I think that's not a bad price. And with Amazon, since this is Amazon Prime and I bought everything Amazon Prime, it does have free returns. I mean, as far as the length, it was, you know, since I'm only 5'1", it was pretty long. I did try wearing it with 3-inch wedges, and with the wedges, it pretty much almost hit the ground, but I don't think it was dragging though. So I could probably get away with wearing it with 3-inch wedges, or I could just maybe hem it like a couple inches, I think. But yeah, I thought this was very cute, and you know, I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping this, but I thought it was nice, and it looked nice with a denim jacket, either like a white denim jacket or a dark denim. Okay, and next I got this dress, and you'll see this is a tie-dye and it's by the brand Husker II, and this one had 595 reviews, 4.5 stars, and it's $23.80. And I got it in a size small. Oh, and I also got the other dress in a size small. So this one, the material actually feels really soft. It has pockets, and actually all of them have pockets. And this one has also like a slit down below. But I kind of like this material. It's very, almost feels like that kind of brush knit LuLaRoe type of material. And this one is 97% polyester, 3% spandex. But yeah, you know, I think this is actually pretty cute. I'm not really, I don't have anything tie-dye, but I heard tie-dye was in. So I thought I'd try it. And just a very easy to wear, very flowy, casual dress. And it did have a lot of different prints and also a lot of solids. So there were some floral here, but I just thought I'd try tie-dye since I don't have any tie-dye. And I think you can also wear this tied up at the bottom. I did see some of the reviewers had actually tied it in case you feel that would be a little safer. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. Okay, next I got this maxi dress, and this is by the brand Hasta Lily, and it's the women's short sleeve, loose, plain, casual, long maxi dress with pockets. And this one had 1,618 reviews and 4.5 stars, and it also says it's Amazon's choice for women's maxi. And this one was $22.99, and again I got the size small, and you'll see it kind of has like a t-shirt kind of on top, but it's cut a little bit above the waist. And this one has a very vibrant print. It's a little much actually. In the picture it looked really cute, but yeah, I'm not sure about this one. The material, it says it's 95% rayon, 5% spandex, but you know, to be honest, I'm not sure. It feels a little bit more like polyester, and I would say again, it is a little bit long, and you know, for me, but I thought it was a pretty cute style. They do have a lot of other prints and I think some solids, yeah. But yeah, this had really, really excellent reviews. So I don't know though. I think for me, I probably, I'm not going to keep this. Even though it is cute, I think this print is a bit much for me. So we'll see. Okay, and lastly, I got this dress. And this is basically the same dress as the previous one, except it's sleeveless. So this is the Hasta Lily Women's Summer Sleeveless Loose Plain Maxi Dress, Casual Long Dress with Pockets. And it had 4.5 stars, 131 customer reviews, and it's $22.99. So same price as the other one. And this one also says it's the #1 bestseller in maternity casual dresses. So yeah, so these dresses could totally work as a maternity dress, just because see how this is cut a little bit above the waist. But I mean, I think it looks cute for me too, not just for maternity. And I actually really did like this, and I thought it looked really cute with a denim jacket. The length is, you know, it is a little bit long. I think you can get away with wearing just like higher heels, like I was wearing like 3-inch heels. But yeah, it is just a nice dress. And again, it says the fabric is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, same as the other one, and it does feel the same. You can take, I don't know if you can see, here's a closer look at it. But you know, honestly, I think this is a really cute dress, and for $22.99, that's not a bad price at all. I guess I could also consider hemming this. It'd probably be fairly simple to hem. You know, it's just all straight, and I do have a sewing machine. So we'll see. Yeah. Okay, so that's all I have for my Amazon Prime maxi dress haul. And yeah, I thought these were all very cute dresses. Prices were really good. So I'm not really sure what I'll be keeping. I really don't need 4 maxi dresses in my life right now, but I'll probably just keep one of them. I'm not sure which one. I kind of like this one. You know, this is a really cute basic. It is a little long, I think, and I probably, if I were to keep this, have to hem it. And my sewing skills are pretty minimal, although I did sew a quilt once. So, you know, I could do it. I know I could. Just try. But anyway, okay. So, yeah, that's all I have for today. And now I'm going to call one of my furry companions to help me say goodbye. Okay, and everybody's sleeping, but let's pull. Should we pull Sammy or Kaya? Okay, let's get Kaya. Kaya, come. Come, Kaya. Oh, and she listens. Come, Kaya. Okay. Okay, and here is Miss Kaya. Yes. And they're enjoying a very lazy day. I have all my animals here. There's Molly the cat, and Sammy is sleeping right down there. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. Ooh, she's squirming, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Where are you going? Okay, she wants to go back. Your spot.